Hi, this is Igor Khmel, CEO of BANKEX. So we are right now in Switzerland, in Zurich. I was just speaker in the conference, the blockchain summit here. So it's very interesting that we are working on structured finance products. So we're developing the new banking system, and right now all this event is hosted in the global center of the old banking system. So probably this is the place where we're gonna all us met. So the traditional banks like UBS, which is here, and some others, and the new changing world's blockchain companies. So just I want to give you a quick update on what happened with BANKEX during the last couple of months. So we finalized the token sale in December, and we are starting actively developing on several business directions. So our main thing is what is called tokenization, or in the traditional world securitization. So we're working right now on two asset verticals. First one is named Moviecoin. We're doing this as a joint venture together with the leading Hollywood producers. This is the platform where independent financial makers can raise money. And also we hope that in some moment studios we're gonna use this to raise money as well. So we're preparing right now two offerings, one for utility coin, which is gonna be around $50–60 million, and for security token, which is gonna be around $200 to $250 million. So security money raised through the security token gonna be invested in the Moviecoin exchange to Moviecoins. And it will be alternative trading system in the United States. It's also gonna work outside of US. So it will be the new standard for movie financing. Second vertical that we are working right now, it's green metal. It's metals used to produce different kind of batteries, such as Tesla batteries. It's mostly platinum and palladium. And we're gonna tokenize the inventories of production facilities. We already have pipeline of potential partners with one of the biggest companies in the world who in the business of production of platinum and palladium. So we have a lot of interest, and the project came to us from Hong Kong. So it's a little bit driven by Hong Kong team. Also involves London, and Toronto is the place where metals traditionally traded. So this is our two big verticals that we're working right now. There is some more that probably will happen second part of the year. And another part of the business that we're working in, it's infrastructural elements for capital, for structured finance and capital flow. So it's terminal, it's QIC, it's a custodian. Custodian is very important. We have a lot of prospective clients, and right now one engagement in United States. Then it's hedging, market making, and we have a separate team who is working on that. And these guys, we already have the clients that are interested to buy our bank as a service solutions, IT solutions for terminals and for custodians. So this part of business will develop independently, and we're gonna reuse all those elements in our main thing, which is tokenization. So it's very exciting. It makes me very exciting. All these things together. So it really matters. It's really making difference in the world of traditional finance, and hopefully all our of the retail people, the regular people, will feel this as well through as end customers. So particularly sometime this year we're going to announce the launch of causes exchanges, and this means raising money for charities or for the causes, skipping all the intermediates, skipping the foundation and charity funds. And when somebody wants, for instance, to support with drinkable water somebody in India or Africa, they will go there and directly buy Watercoin, and this Watercoin will distribute it directly to mobile wallets of end people and used by them in order to buy this water from vending machines. So we just discussed today possibility with Bosch venture capital guys here in IoT fund to collaborate on that, and if it's possible to leverage one of their portfolio companies or technology to make this together. So we are looking for the big partnership, and we are looking for for the solid partnership and technical teams in order to collaborate and enable new structured finance products and change, as a result, change to the better the life of society and to the life of regular people. Thank you, and let's stay in touch.